mic test set up, as well as the new camera. Heading over to a buddy's house to help him load his bike up onto a trailer. So, man, I really hope my new camera's recording. I think so. I'm going to check it here in a second, just to see. I've also got the new windsock on my lapel, so gonna see if this helps with the crackling and the popping, and hopefully fix it. So let's. Oh, all right. Let's see if this thing's actually recording. I still can't tell. It is. All right, sweet. Let's get this swivel thing on it so I can turn the camera around if I want to. It's pretty awesome. So I'm talking. I have my visor open right now. I'm going to close it here in a second just to see. I'm going to get past some of these and closing the visor. Visor closed. I'm going to pass this dump truck. All right, guys. So we're at 50. What's up, new camera? Yeah, this is pretty cool. Testing out the audio. Just to see if I'm still getting crackling and popping. If I am, I have one more test, something else I'm going to try to hopefully fix it. And then if that doesn't work, then I don't know what I'm going to do. New mic probably, but anyway, but I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful this is going to work. Yeah, like I said, new mic, new camera set up here in the front. What's up? Peace, peace.